Peace FM 104.3. Who to me take?
How is my chair?
Yo, many of them have been a massive.
Now, when I catch you say John Swai when him kusu.
Well, beyond that, and some people are kaya or me, you know. Factual.
Me pay no answer.
When him kusu, they may man say, we be a kaya, but they're important. When him when you go on the mama,
but one kasa, nature me bisa one kasa why when him kusu.
I mean, I mean, when I walk home, maybe young kaya, I some me babe kano, I say na me babe shot here. And totally immaterial to me. But the way I or Casano or create impression be say you said that I take the electoral commission and this so who in Aswaya wo the tia ye kasa me obefu say ye krano ye kano ye magana for na even krano e be yama MPP abaya otiso because the electoral commission ko ye bibi na sanko ya ye the suboni bi ka abaya otiso and you can you say registration on Omo register with 250 officers instead of 6,000 electoral areas. Omo reduce the number of registration centers from 100% to 5%. If you use that system now, definitely no open disenfranchising for people. And I bisa almost say it's almost target saying almost 300,000. In fact, almost document of the parliament almost 300,000. And now no your call IPAC you bisa almost 500,000 and you bisa
from 300 to 500
in a so be na mo almost almost and no projection your call statistical service your trouble letter my projections between 2016 and almost 18 I was here currently and you 1.7 million 80 so what target 500,000 now projections near 1.7 million. Let's say 1.2 million. It's an exercise, the method that we use to need to know. We bet disenfranchise you. No registration, no, and your fundamental right by the Constitution. It won't mean Casa oh yeah, now will pay in the name of say whatever reasons you have. So I say General Secretary they bisa almost now someone called Parliament. I can consider say modificano baby say biomedical equipment here BPD ni PB area must say tesa potomanto one ko parliament approve sika ma ho me say me kan woni answer ma me de mai you know say don do be kind of crowd no obia o ka say he doesn't owe the political party any explanation it is a political party major political party now you know show IPAC now you need someone for parliament approval to do something. Now about the catcher says that you know who knew you as to say who person something new. Near to say now one call parliament and one call approval. Now which means you know and catcher say you don't owe us any explanation. Now just a young travel I hate to be counted. She cannot do it to man sika. I have very sika. You know sika. And now we have a duty and responsibility say you better say bibiano ebekoye and MPP before a man no more position or more raise issues no way of a man before they had legitimate issues and someone maka and some niensa so before say and someone maka patrona media and now say fact be him now say be mom come here 2018 omokoye limited registration or use the same method district office registration almost targeting 100,000 and no cry that target is too small I can say about 220,000 out of almost low target of 100,000 almost 47,000 47%. And you will use the same method you will get the same or worse result and only I cannot nipa dodo na no mutimi tro di who see omokwan na no a voter suppression strategy. Now, make a dear data to a said, since I can say, about starting a dethronement on the 7th of June. Meno can say, yea, as political parties, meaning some people for the Somunima, but at IPAC, you decide, mostly apart from 250 district offices, no, move to selected areas, now what they say equipment, no, portmanteau equipment, no, any alcohol. Any besides say, equipment, don't want saying, why audit. Whose equipment do not say that why to apart from that, no selected, no, and he selected because as political parties, there was you sɛ wode bi kɔ a ne yɛtrani nkurɔfoɔ na yɛasɛne ɔmo yɛde ɔmo akɔ wonka nkyɛn meanwhile wo sɛ woagazette adeɛ no as at the last IPAC meeting I was the 21 days by the 7th of December. So what gazette the gazette no I was saying include Bedia or person who deploy equipment and so fast information in my so there are political parties with their minimum. But as IPAC you be on farmer as a political party I was here who near prepare any privileged information. And your secret, and your amount of and as I said, the open noise because no crap pass our gazette here. And also the information about my head. Then I shall say, prepare. Oh, we are raising genuine and legitimate issues. And yes, I that finally, Obika said, Omo, Yaniomo was someone, Yaniomo Yasam, but a woman casa or money, say, Yabako IPAC meeting. Now, as somewhere in the agenda, so now, Baby issue statement, I can say, ya person, so may I just say, you better new register. A problem. Now, the Bosman Asari, business includes. Aka say the NDC is a threat to the democracy. A problem. Now, as I say, electoral commission, almost supervise the elections of the NDC elections. Emma, electoral commission, the party here in internal elections, it has to go and supervise. It's omoniye ni omokasa the way almost subaya kuku ni jaya kika ni be jaya. Na
Martin
omo corner omo position omo attitude na say 9 o'clock say IPAC who here IPAC is who here stability of this country democracy and no a lot of it depends on IPAC. It's a dangerous position and attitude.
Martin Elvis medasi Pemreba studio ni nkomo
the batch of frame anytime I'm ever
medasi